Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be taking some rhinestones, and as you can see, I'm going to be creating a cute little rhinestone skull makeup look. So yeah, let's get into it. Right now, I'm just looking at some like inspiration pictures, trying to figure out how I'm going to try to do this because I ain't never did nothing like this before. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all keep watching and like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so this my song. This my song, yes. This is my song. So yeah, I got the dark eyes going on and I'm just like, trying to blend that out a little bit. So now I'm gonna do the nose and just make that look real dark to make it really, look like a skeleton. Okay, so boom, this is when it starts to go downhill because I start doing things that I never did before. So yeah, I was trying to, make it look real hollow, my skin breaking out, oh my god. But anyways, I kept like, clearing off this part and restarting it. I probably restarted this like 3 or 4 times throughout this video, so yeah, but yeah, y'all just watch. So I'm trying to do the skeleton makeup look and I'm like, filling the side parts. No, because I thought like it started off. I gotta not, I don't know. And my skin is gonna, oh my god, I think, do I need to curve it a little more? Curve it downwards. Did I just fuck it up some more? I don't know. I'm gonna try it and we're gonna see. We're gonna see if I pull it together. Y'all, the vision was there, but it was starting to give beard instead of, like hollow. So we wasn't feeling that. I had to clear that off. So I'm just putting my base, my little bit of foundation or whatever. And then we're gonna go from there. So boom, now we put in the rhinestones around the eyes. This took a long time. It was very tedious, but it came out cute. We put it on the nose too because yeah, we just need that. And I got these from the dollar store, from the Dollar Tree, the craft section. And yeah, at this point I had the great idea to put it on my mouth, whole rhinestone look, and that really worked out good. It looks cute. It looks cute. And here I go again trying to add some shading. This time it wasn't so bad, but you see I kind of messed it up. And yeah, we just had to blend that out. But yeah, I decided to add some eyeshadow because I didn't want to do the top of my eye with the rhinestones. And yeah, here I am blending out what I just messed up, and then I'm probably gonna go again and mess it up again. But yeah, so yeah. See, I told y'all I was finna mess it up again, but this time it wasn't so bad because I did it a little bit lighter with some like light gray eyeshadow, so that was cute. You see, it looks a little bit better. And now I'm trying to put on some eyelashes. That did not work out, so y'all just gonna watch me struggle. I decided to just leave it alone and put mascara, and that's that on that. This is the final look, y'all. So I just had one gem fall off. I think it's possible to be able to like wear this look out, you know? Very cute. It's cute, but it's also like it could be creepy, it could be a little bit scary. I finally got the contour to work out by blending it out with some foundation so it looks much better. Put a little bit of, you know, on the eyelids. Tried to put lashes. Y'all saw that did not work out, but yeah, this was my first try for a Halloween look, so let me know what you guys think. Let me know. So comment down below, let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye. This is a little creepy.